Hello, Rick Tomaska here, and I love doing these little presentations because I have the opportunity to talk to you as one collector to another on a personal basis about really special, unique coins that I know from my decades of study are extraordinary. And on the coin I have today, I remember when I was working on my first book, the 1959 Franklin in Cameo condition, and I had these population estimates of how rare this coin was in, ultra cameo. And I looked at the estimates, and it was so difficult because here we had a coin with a mintage of over 1 million coins. And I had estimates where there might only be 100 in existence, in ultra cameo. And it was hard for me to do that because, that's very, very few coins. But I knew from experience, after the hundreds of thousands of 59s I looked at, I mean, I rarely saw an ultra cameo. And so you look at the population reports today from PCGS and NGC, and you'll see, each service is only graded a couple dozen examples. I've got a 1959 today. The coin is a Proof 68 star cameo. It's what, when I wrote my first book, this would have been considered an ultra cameo. The coin is phenomenal. It's a full ultra cameo obverse and probably an ultra cameo minus reverse. In other words, the reverse is on the low end of the ultra cameo scale, and the obverse is a solid ultra cameo. And for a lot of these rare dates, that's what you typically see, is 60s and 61s, for example, when they're graded ultra cameo. A lot of times you'll have a coin that the ultra cameo, the obverse, is phenomenal, and the reverse just kind of makes it. They're sort of mismatched. And that's how some of the rarer dates come. For a 1959, this coin is absolutely phenomenal. It's a Proof 68 star cameo. There's very few graded in 68 star cameo. It's an Everest selection. You're going to seeing some close-ups of this coin. It is really one of the finest 1959 cameo Franklins I've ever handled, hands down. And we've got it at a great, great price. You've got Franklins are setting record prices almost every month. Most recently, there was a Franklin that sold for over $100,000. Doesn't surprise me, folks. This is what I've been saying for decades, that there's a lot of Franklins that have that kind of potential. This coin here has tremendous, tremendous future potential. It's very conservatively graded. I highly, highly recommend it. I'd like to check it out on our website if you will want some more information, but it's just a phenomenal 1959 Cameo Franklin. I can strongly, strongly recommend this coin to you. Thank you.